what's your hourly rate? What are you looking to be paid?
So you guys pay hourly or you guys pay monthly?
We pay hourly. We pay bi-weekly. Every 2 weeks you get paid by us. But what are you looking to be paid by hourly?
My range is in between 10 to 15 per hour.
Okay. Between 3 to 5 accounts to begin with, and then once they prove that they can handle more accounts, we'll give more accounts to that person. But account managing is just really kind of QBRs, quarterly business reviews, where our current clients, trying to upscale them on more resources and retention. That's pretty much what it comes down to. It retention, keeping them with our business, making sure they're satisfied, this and that. But along with that comes the fact that you have to deal with the agents, the resources that are under those clients. So there's two phases to this. There's the clients that you have to deal with, and then there's the agents that you have to deal with. And for example, let's say one day you come to work and an agent says, my internet's not working, or my internet's power's out. Now you have to relay that to the client and then make sure the client's aware, or, speak with them, kind of resolve how they're going to go about handling the task that the agent had to do for that day. So it's it's all that, man. If you want to kind of give me a little bit of background on your experience, what you've done in the past, have you done this role before, or, is this a new role for you?
When it comes to managing accounts, it's with Go High Level.
No, it's not Go High Level. If this would be direct accounts with our clients. When I mention to account, I say like a client of ours. Let's say Nike. Nike. We don't use Go High Level. That's not the CRM we use. But it'd be managing different accounts. It's just like, let's say Nike.
I have experience with managing accounts with Go High Level, or with digital marketing agency named Atlas Digital, and then in Brilliant Cairo. In that marketing company, I used to manage like multiple ad accounts and Go High Level accounts for chiropractors. What I had to do, I had to jump on from one chiropractor's account to another chiropractor's account and see what patients are coming through from the ad campaign. We book the appointment for the chiropractors on their calendar, then jump onto another accounts, then see what's the update, and call the leads, book them onto that chiropractor's account. So that's how I used to manage the accounts of some chiropractors.
Okay.
That's digital.
Okay. And that's the only account managing that you've ever dealt with?
After that, I have also experience with a recruiting agency. Name is Tree Service Media. They help tree shop owners to get tree workers like climbers, ground guy. So that's the same case. They have Go High Level, and they have multiple client accounts. So they run Facebook ad campaign for those clients, those who are looking for tree workers. And those reach out to the ad campaign. I reach out to the workers, take their interviews. If they're qualified enough, then I book them onto the client calendar. That is what my experience is regarding the account managing.
Okay. Do you, so how would you keep track of KPIs and things of that nature?
When it comes to like the chiropractors, I used to make sure that whatever leads coming through from the Facebook ad campaign, I reach them immediately, try to book the appointments onto doctor calendar. I don't want to miss any leads, because that's the reason they are paying us. And when it comes to the recruiting agency, whenever a lead pop up, I reach out, take the interview, qualify them. I don't keep them waiting for the call. Whenever they pop up, whenever I see a lead come through, then I call the lead, qualify them, and book them. That's how they measure my KPI, that I'm on top of everything or not.
Right. Okay. Now, if you had to manage, like, let's say we give you five clients, right? With those 5 clients come, let's say 15 agents, right? Three agents on each client, right? How would you keep track of the agents' KPIs?
Okay, in that case, I believe you guys will show me the process in the very beginning, I guess, correct? You will walk me through. So I don't think I'm gonna have difficulties doing that because I have been doing this kind of job for the last 4 or 5 years. I started my career as a telemarketer. I have experience in media buying. I've also experience in email marketing. So I don't think it's gonna be an issue for me if you guys just walk me through the process. It will take me like maximum 1 or 2 days to get used to the system.
Okay. Yeah. What if there wasn't no process, but we needed you to create a process? How would you create the process of keeping track of everybody's KPIs?
Then I will figure that out because I have I have 2 laptops on desktop and one desktop. If I have to like keep everything on in front of me, then I can open on my laptop. I can keep track everything, that which agent is reaching out, which client I need to reach out right now. I can keep my eye on 3 or 2 monitors and I can do multitask. That's how I manage.
What's your workstation? You said you have 2 laptops, 1 desktop? Okay, cool. And do you have backup for internet just in case?
I have 2 internet connects. I have backup point.
Oh, cool.
And for power outage, I have laptop.
And what's your hourly rate? What are you looking to be paid?
So you guys pay hourly or you guys pay monthly?
We pay hourly. We pay bi-weekly. Every 2 weeks you get paid by us. But what are you looking to be paid by hourly?
My range is in between 10 to 15 per hour.
Okay. And how soon can you start if we decide to move forward with them?
Now, what time zone should I start? What's the work?
Eastern. We work on the Eastern time zone.
9 to 5?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can, if you want, I can start next week.
Okay. On Monday? Monday? All right, cool. You got any questions for us, maybe, for me?
What's the platform do that you use the stage?
We use Remitly, but we also use Wise. We use Wise, Remitly, PayPal, whatever it is.
Okay, I have Wise.
Okay. Where are you located?
I'm from Bangladesh. Where are you from? Are you from Colombia?
Yeah, I'm from Colombia. Yeah, but our company is based in New Jersey. Yeah, we're based in.
May I know that something website? This is the website.
Yeah, sure. Have it for you. That's our website right there. You can check it out.
Why did you send it in Facebook?
And then, no, right here in the chat, in the Google chat.
I haven't got anything yet.
You see a little square where you wrote, "Hey, you there? You are on mute."
Yes, I'm there, but I cannot see it. And now it's coming.
Okay.
Yes, now it's. Is there anything else you want to know about myself?
No, that's good for now, man. I'll reach out.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Thanks, man.
And have a great day. Bye-bye.
You too, bye.